Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you the process of how I get my naturally curly hair to become straight. So I'm just going to grab my Tresemme brush, and I like to start off at the ends when I'm brushing out my hair, just because I feel like with curly hair it works a lot better, and then what you do is you work your way up to the top. So the oil that I use for my hair is the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Oil, and I absolutely love this product. It keeps my hair being silky soft and smooth, and it literally lasts so long. I don't really have to put that much oil in my hair like in between sessions. So what I like to do is just rub it all into the places that usually are really dry, so especially my ends, and then just brush it through as well. Next, we're just going to section the hair, so you can take a hairband or a hair clip and just part the hair into two sections, and then this is just easier for me to blow dry my hair. The hairdryer that I'm using today is the Nikki Clark Diamond Shine, and this one is designed to make your hair less frizzy while blow drying. I like to give the hair an overall shot of heat first, and then I'll start working into sections. So taking a section of the hair, I run the hairbrush and the hairdryer together along through, just repeating multiple times. This is the first section blow dried straight, and now you're going to be able to see the difference between the two, and now we're just going to straighten the other side. Now both sides are straightened. I've actually learnt this tip from my friend's mum, who's a hairdresser, and it's just to blast your hair with the cold setting after you blow dry your hair, just because it cools down the hair and makes it less frizzy apparently. Now going back with the Tresemme oil, we're now just going to put a little bit more through the hair and concentrate where we did before on the ends, and this is the step that we're going to do just before we straighten our hair. Now grabbing a hair tie, we're just going to pull our hair up, and then we're going to section it off so we can get ready to straighten. Now to grab the GHD hair straighteners, we are just going to straighten our hair, and how I straighten my hair is I like to run it through once and then go after with the brush, and then repeat this process, and this just helps straighten the hair a lot quicker and makes it a lot more silky smooth. Now we're going to go with our Lee Stafford Anti-Humidity Spray. This is one of my favourite sprays. It just makes any frizziness go away, and especially like in the heat, it's just perfect for after blow drying your hair. So here is the finished look. If you liked this little tutorial, then please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.